Top 5 Back-to-School Nail Ideas 2025 Easy, Cute, and School Approved. Hey friends! Welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, hi and welcome to the MMAS Health Fam. Today I've got something super exciting for you. The top 5 back-to-school nail designs for 2025 that are not only absolutely adorable, but also beginner-friendly, budget-friendly, and 100% school-approved. Whether you're stepping into high school, moving into your first college dorm, or just looking to refresh your vibe for the new season, these viral nail looks are all over TikTok and Pinterest right now. And yes, you can easily do them at home without a salon trip. So if you're ready to slay your first day, starting with your nails, keep watching because you're going to want to screenshot every single one. Design 1. Minimalist Pastel Tips. Let's start with the ever-trendy Minimalist Pastel Tips. This look is clean, chic, and perfect if your school has a stricter dress code. You'll want to start with a sheer nude base and then use soft pastel colors like lavender, mint, peach, or baby blue, just on the tips. This design is subtle enough for the classroom but still gives you that polished, trendy vibe that's been all over TikTok and Pinterest this year. Design 2. Notebook Doodles. Next up we have notebook doodle nails, and yes, it's as cute as it sounds. Think lined paper, mini hearts, smiley faces, stars, and all those doodles you used to make in the margins of your notebooks. You can create the look using a white base with thin blue lines, and then add black or pink mini designs. This nail art is a total conversation starter, and perfect for anyone who loves a fun, creative style. Plus, Pinterest reports this design trend has surged in searches this month, so it's definitely viral. Design 3. French Tips with a Twist. The third design is a modern spin on a classic French tips with a twist. Instead of the usual white tips, try swapping in a bold color like red, purple, or neon green, or go for a gradient glitter fade. This keeps your nails elegant but adds a pop of personality. French nails are always school-friendly, but this version keeps things fresh and fashion-forward, especially for fall 2025. You can keep it subtle or go bold depending on your school's vibe. Design 4. School Spirit Colors. Show your school pride with School Spirit nails. This is a great way to feel connected to your school community. Just use your school colors and create stripes, polka dots, or even an ombre effect. You can even add your initials or mascot on one of the nails using a nail pen or sticker. These are perfect for pep rally week, game days, or just to represent your school in a stylish way. Bonus: they make for great Instagram photos too. Design 5. Sticker Nails for Beginners. Finally, if you're short on time or just getting started with nail art, nail stickers are your best friend. You can find super cute pre-made designs, from flowers and emojis to butterflies and even BTS themes, that go on in seconds and last for days. Just stick them on a painted or clear nail, seal with top coat, and you're good to go. This is one of the easiest ways to keep your nails looking fresh with zero stress. Perfect for those back-to-school mornings when you're running late. Final words. And there you have it. 5 trendy, easy, and school-appropriate nail ideas for back-to-school 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beauty drop.